Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, February 26, 2025, covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key technology indexes finished mixed today. The technology sector showed the strongest gain, up 39.68 to 4,507.84. The Nasdaq Composite rose 48.87 to 19,075.26, while the Nasdaq 100 added 45.67 to 21,132.92. The healthcare sector declined 11.88 to 1,720.36. Market breadth was notably weak today. In the Nasdaq Composite, decliners outnumbered advancers by more than 2-1, with 2,146 stocks falling versus 1,013 rising. The technology sector showed similar weakness, with 487 declines against 203 advances. Weekly returns show broad weakness across tech indexes, with the Nasdaq Composite down 2.3% and the Nasdaq 100 down 2.2%. The healthcare sector stands out as the only positive performer, up nearly 1% for the week while maintaining a strong positive trend. Intuit led gainers with a surge of 69.88 to 625.51, up 12.5% amid very strong upward volatility. Workday jumped 15.87 to 271.9, gaining 6.2%. Broadcom added 10.40 to 212.94, while MicroStrategy rose 12.76 to 263.27, despite strong downward volatility. On a weekly basis, Intuit leads with a 10.6% gain. Workday has advanced 5.7% while maintaining a very strong positive trend. Micron Technology shows positive momentum year-to-date, up 16.1% despite recent flat price movement. AppLovin led decliners, dropping 46.6 to 331, down 12.2% for its seventh consecutive down day. Apple fell 6.68 to 240.36, while Datadog slipped 1.61 to 113.37, marking its ninth straight declining session amid a very strong negative trend. AppLovin's decline has intensified, down 20.3% this week. The trade desk shows significant weakness, down 38.9% month-to-date. Datadog continues its downward trajectory, falling 20.6% year-to-date, with 9 consecutive down days. Nasdaq-related ETFs showed mixed performance today. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF led the group with a notable gain of 5.57 points to 243.82, rising 2.3%. The QQQ added 1.24 to 514.56, while the Vanguard Information Technology Fund rose 4.52 to 610.47. Most funds displayed mixed to negative trends. Looking at returns, these ETFs show weakness in recent periods. Week-to-date returns are notably negative, with TQQQ down nearly 6.7%, while its inverse SQQQ is up 6.9%. Monthly returns follow a similar pattern, though year-to-date performance remains relatively flat for most funds.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms led gainers, rising 16.20 to 673.70, up 2.4%. Amazon and Microsoft posted modest gains, while Alphabet fell 2.67 to 174.70, marking its fifth consecutive down day. Apple declined 6.68 to 240.36, dropping 2.7%. Year-to-date performance shows Meta Platforms leading with a 15% gain. Alphabet and Apple have struggled, down 8.3% and 4% respectively. Microsoft's recent weakness is reflected in its year-to-date decline of 5.2%, while Amazon shows a modest loss of 2.3%. ACM Research surged 4.75 to 27.69, up 20.7%. CEVA jumped 5.94 to 38.44, gaining 18.2% and hitting a new one-year high. Skywater Technology advanced 1.35 to 10.19, rising 15.2%. Nanolabs and QuickLogic also posted strong gains above 10%. Looking at broader returns, ACM Research shows remarkable strength with an 83% year-to-date gain. CEVA has advanced 22% this year, while Skywater Technology and Nanolabs have declined 26% and 27% respectively. QuickLogic shows a 35% year-to-date loss. Block led cloud computing stocks with a dramatic surge of 15.11 to 83.46, up 22.1%. Intuit jumped 69.88 to 625.51, gaining 12.5%. DigitalOcean rose 3.11 to 43.94, breaking out after 3 days of consolidation. Workday and Dell Technologies also advanced. In the broader time frame, DigitalOcean shows impressive year-to-date gains of 29%. Workday has advanced 5% this year, while Intuit and Dell are relatively flat. Despite today's surge, Block remains down 1.8% year-to-date. In AI and robotics, Teradyne rose 3.46 to 114.81. Ambarella and Zebra Technologies both gained 2.9%, with Zebra up for a second consecutive day. iRobot advanced modestly, while ASML Holding climbed 16.74 to 746.93 amid a strong positive trend. Year-to-date returns show ASML Holding leading with a 7.8% gain, followed by Ambarella up 4.2%. Teradyne has declined 8.8%, while Zebra Technologies shows the largest drop at 17.3%. iRobot remains relatively flat, with a modest 2.4% decline. Looking at AI and robotics thematic ETFs, the SPEAR Alpha ETF led gains, rising 74 cents to 24.81, up 3%. Despite showing a strong negative trend with some downward volatility, the AI and Innovation Fund gained 35 cents to 22.24. The remaining funds showed modest gains with mixed trends. Year-to-date returns show mixed performance across AI and robotics ETFs. The SPEAR Alpha ETF is down 8.5%, while the Robotics and AI and Automation Bull Twox shows the strongest gain at 5.9%. Week-to-date, most funds show declines, with SPEAR Alpha's 4.8% drop being the most significant. Electric vehicle stocks showed strong gains today. XPeng surged 2.86 to 21.99, up 14.9%, reaching a new one-year high for the second consecutive day. NIO jumped 10.5% with strong upward volatility, while Li Auto gained 3.7 to 32.91, rising 10.3% amid a very strong positive trend. Return metrics highlight impressive gains for EV makers. XPeng leads with an 86% year-to-date return and nearly 20% week-to-date gain. Li Auto shows similar strength with a 37% year-to-date return. In contrast, Faraday Future has declined 42.8% year-to-date despite today's modest gain. In quantum computing rose 36 cents to 6.85, up 5.5%. D-Wave Quantum gained 22 cents to 6.14, showing a very strong positive trend. Applied Materials advanced 2.97 to 168.51, while IonQ added 20 cents to close at 29.93. Performance metrics reveal challenges in the quantum sector. Quantum computing shows a 58.6% year-to-date decline, while D-Wave is down 26.9%. Applied Materials stands out as the only gainer, up 3.6% year-to-date. Week-to-date declines are widespread across the sector. Solar stocks showed notable strength. Jinko Solar and First Solar both gained 6.3%, with Jinko Solar showing a very strong positive trend. Canadian Solar rose 6% with strong upward volatility, breaking out after 3 flat days. Array Technologies added 4% amid sideways movement. Return analysis shows mixed results in solar stocks. Jinko Solar leads month-to-date with a 14.9% gain, while Array Technologies tops year-to-date returns at 13.6%. First, Solar shows the largest decline, down 11% year-to-date, despite today's strong performance. Looking at technology thematic ETFs today, the Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF led gains, rising 2.26 to 66.95, a 3.4% increase, despite showing a strong negative trend. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF followed with a 5.57-point gain to 243.82. All tracked ETFs closed higher with negative trends. Returns analysis shows these ETFs facing weekly pressure, with the SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF down 3.5% for the week. Month to date, the VanEck Semiconductor and iShares Semiconductor ETFs are marginally positive, while others show declines. Year-to-date performance remains mixed with modest variations.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.